Good morning to everyone. Today topic is the HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. What is mean by hypertext markup language? It acts a foundation of the every website, and HTML is used for the creating a web page. It is a HTML is a creating a HTML is used to create a web pages, and also it is a open language, open source language. It means open source means everyone easily learn and using that tags. In this using the tags, this HTML is using the tags, and each tag affects the content that has placed in the particular HTML tags. In this, two tags are very important. That is the heading tag and body tag. And different tags are also there, and mainly used for the tags are the head tag and body tag. These are the main. Every HTML program having used to these two tags are main use, and number of tags are there. This is the main tag, and this is a markup language. This is not a programming language. Markup language means used for the creating a web page purpose. You are using the HTML. And hypertext markup language is the click on a web page and using the hypertext markup language, a markupping tags are used the browser. It means having the any browser, any HTML is not a programming language. First one is the HTML not a programming language, not a programming language, and next not a programming language, and next one is a HTML is a markup language. This is a markup language. It is a markup language. In this using the markup tags, and HTML is not a case sensitive. Not a case sensitive. It means case sensitive means you are using case sensitive type. You are using the small letters purpose. You are using small letters only. Big letter purpose you are using big letter. But in this not a case sensitive means you are using the if as your use either small letters or capital letters. And next one is the HTML tags are elements surrounded the angular braces, starting and end with the angular braces. This is called the angular braces, and this HTML tags are every time open these angular braces, and HTML tags are closing tag, and this is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. This is the closing tag. Every time the HTML having the closing tag and ending tag is there. Opening tag is directly write this, and ending tag is means you are using the backslash. This symbol is called the backslash. This is the ending tag. And next one the end written like this. End tag is written like this. And next one is the HTML language describing a web page. It is creating a web pages purpose you are using the HTML. And next one is the HTML stands for the hypertext markup language. Everyone know that hypertext markup language. Next one is the HTML not a programming language. It is a markup language. In this having the different types of headings are you are using. I will give the some small example. I will explain. For small HTML program I will explain. Everyone seen this program. In this starting, this is the HTML document I will explain. This is the simple program in HTML. First one is the DOC type HTML. DOC type are your mention, otherwise you are mention directly HTML. This is the backslash. This is the exclamatory mark. It is a comments. This is your reservation, right or not. That is not important. Next, starting tag is the HTML. Starting tag is the HTML. HTML means hypertext markup language. This is the main tag. This is the root tag. Root means main tag in this program. Next one is the head. Head is the main important to the HTML program. If any HTML program you are using the heading tag and body tag is very important. First one is the starting with the head tag only. Within the open the head open means it is not having any backslashes is there. No, that is the backslash is not there. It means starting tag. In this head you are written in the title. Every time head tag in the written by the title tag only. Open the head tag, and in this written title tag I will give the page title, and title open and title close. Closed purpose you are using the backslash. Next one is the heading open. In this is the head tag is also closed. This is the heading tag purpose you are using. And next one is the body open, and body in this you are using the some different types of heading tags. I will explain that next video in the heading tags. In this body tags you are using the heading. Heading means you are using H1 to H6 different types of headings are there. I will give brief explanation in the previous video. In this H1 means the heading tag. This is the my first heading is the I will give. Next one is the para. Paragraph is also used for the different types of the tags are used. One of the tag is the paragraph tag. In this my first paragraph, this is I will give. This is the end paragraph. This is the starting heading tag. This is the closing heading tag. Heading tag closing purpose you are using the backslash, and also using for the paragraph closing purpose you are using the backslash. After completion of this heading tag and paragraph tag, body will be closed. Body open and body close. After total program is completed, first one is the root tag is there HTML, that is also closing. This is the simple program in the HTML. The next the output is written. The first one is the title, page title, and my first heading and my first paragraph. This is the output given. This is the output written. The output is the in the previous example, the output is what? Page title and heading is my first heading, and next one is the my first paragraph. This is the web page creation, and this is the output of this previous program. This is the example of the program, and this is the output of this program. Same simple example I will explain in this web HTML. Everyone understood? HTML is main used for the creating a web page purpose you are using. This is the not a programming language. This is the markup language. You are using the markup tags, and this is the using for the case sensitive. Not using any case sensitive letters. Not is not case sensitive. It is a not case sensitive, and this is the using for the angular braces, opening brace and closing braces is there. Opening is this way, and closing purpose you are using this. And in this having the different types of tags are you are using in the HTML. Just I will explain in this program. Just a simple program. Simple program I will explain. Thanking to watching this program. Watching this video.